Life in a tiny house with a small garden and village. Soft accounts, music playing in backyard as a camera pans over a quiet village showcasing small cottage and lush greenery. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our humble abode nested in the heart of this serene village. Today we invite you to step into our world of simplify to a tranquility. So don't forget like and subscribe for more ideas about home garden decor. If you are new here, please like the video and click the subscribe and press the like icon in this video, share to your friends and family members. This tiny house with its charming facade is more than just a dwelling, it's a sanctuary where minimalism meets nature. Inside every nook and cranny is thoughtfully designed to maximize space with sacrificing comfort from multifunctional furniture that deliver storage solution every and serve as a purpose. So don't forget like share subscribe for more ideas about home garden decor. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for watching.